Hello again. So my favorite way for you to contact me when we're outside of class is through Canvas messaging. So I want to show you how to do it and make sure you can always find me on Canvas messaging. So remember, I start by going to the Peralta portal. I'm just doing a Google search here. I'm going to click on the portal. I am going to choose faculty and staff, but you will choose students, of course. And then I'm going to open Canvas. So I can open my courses here, but I don't need to because what I'm looking for is along this left-hand side. So just like your email has an inbox, also Canvas has an inbox. So we're going to click on Inbox. Okay. So from here, you can create a message. Over here are my messages from students, so I can click and read those. But to create a message, I'm going to go over to this picture. It looks like a paper with a pencil. It says compose a new message. So click there. And then you have to choose for which class. So you see that I have a million classes. But I'm going to choose our class, which is 272A. And then it says 2. So I'm going to click in here, this box with the, looks like it's supposed to be a little person's head. Okay. So do you want teachers or do you want students? I have more choices than you do, okay? But you will choose teachers. And then I'm the only teacher. So my name will pop up. So you can click on my name. And then here's the subject line. So I told you, please make sure that you write something in the subject line. So maybe you want to tell me that you're sick today. So that could be your subject. And then down here, you're going to start with Dear Erica or Hello Erica. We're going to make it like a professional message. So this is how you would write a message for a job or to some professional place like a college. Okay? So after Dear Erica, you can give me your message. I'm feeling sick today. Please send me information about the homework. I hope to see you next week. Okay? And then, thanks. And then you can put your name. When you're done, let me move this picture around. You're going to hit this send button. Now, if you want to attach something to the message, before you send it, you're going to go down to this paperclip and click on the paperclip. Then it's going to ask you what you want to attach. So you would click on the file. So maybe I'll send you the syllabus and click open. And then you can see that the syllabus is attached right here. Okay? So maybe sometimes you might want to send me an attachment. Normally your assignments are not going to be sent as an attachment. They will be sent directly in the assignment link in Canvas. So you might never use this attachment link, but just in case that comes up. All right, and then when you're done, hit send. It's taking a moment, and then it says message sent. All right. So I will always answer your Canvas messages the most quickly. I get notifications on my phone, so I can answer those messages usually within 1 day. It might take me 2 days. All right, thanks.